friends, I want to do a recap on addition and subtraction with regrouping. Now, I'm thinking of my steps. And remember when we sat around and I was introducing this topic or strategy, I asked multiple people, what is the first step? Regardless of what we're adding or subtracting, where should we go first? That's right, we need to go to the ones column. If you need to label them so you know ones, tens, and hundreds. We're going to start in the ones, and we're going to start with adding. Our symbol, the addition symbol, means we're going to find sums. So if I look at 9 and 8, and I find the sum of 9 and 8, that's 17. Now remember, 7 is in the ones column, so it can come down, but the 1 has to come up here to be added to the tens column. So now I have 1 plus 2, that equals 3, and then 1 more equals 4. And then I can come to the hundreds column because I don't have to carry anything over. It wasn't 10 or above. 2 plus 3 is 5. So my answer is 547. 547. Let's just do another one to make sure we know what we're doing here. So let's go with a bigger number here. How about that? All right. Make sure I draw my lines. Start in the, that's right, ones column. 7 plus 7. 14. 4 goes down because it's in the ones place, and the 1 goes over to the tens place. I've got 1 plus 6. That's 7. 7 plus 7 is a double again. 4 goes down. 1 goes up. 1 plus 5. 6. 6 plus 7. Uh-oh, Mrs. Heck. 6 plus 7 is 13. Where do I put the 1? Yes, the 3 lines up under the hundreds and the 1 goes beside. Because let's pretend that we added that thousands column there, okay? And we would normally just put our little comma there to show that we have 1,344 as our answer. Now, let me just remind you, if the number is in the ones column, is not 10 or more, that you just add it. It's just 6, right? 4 plus 2 is just 6. So I just bring that down, okay? Then when I go to the tens column, 9 plus 2. Well, 9 plus 2 is what? 11. 1 goes down, 1 comes up. There's my 11. The 1's in the ones place, but really it's in the tens place. Okay, so 1 plus 5, 6, plus 2, 8. So my answer is 816. All right, I think you've got the addition. Let's flip our brains and talk about subtraction, okay? So let's go with, again, make sure you have your columns so that you can keep your numbers straight. If you can't line your numbers up underneath each other, it's going to make it difficult for you to subtract. Now, remember, I'm looking at the ones column. That's the first place I go. Step number 1, ones column. I look, is there more on the floor? Can I literally take 9 if I only have 6? I can't give you 9 if I only have 6. So of course that's more on the floor. I have to go next door, cross it out. I'm taking 10 away from the 70 because remember, this is technically a 7 and a 0 because that's in the tens place. So 70, I'm taking 10 away. That's going to leave him with 60. And I'm going to cross this out and add 10 to 6. 10 plus 6 equals 16. So now I can take 9 from 16. And what's 16 take away 9? That's right, it is 7. All right, now I come to the tens column. I have 6. Can I take 2 away? Is there more on the floor? No. I can take 2 away from 6. I can give 2 to my friend and still have some left. So if I have 6 and I give them 2, I'm going to have 4 left. That's right. Now, I didn't touch him, so I just go with the 6 minus 3 is 3. So my answer is 347. Now, remember, there's always a way to check your subtraction. I can easily take my answer, which was 347. I can take that 329 and I can add. And if I do that, I bet I come up with 676. 7 plus 9 is 16. The 6 goes down, the 1 goes up. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2 is 7, and 3 plus 3 is 6. Woo, bingo! I know I've got the right answer. All right, so let's try another one. Make sure we've got this. I know some of you guys forget to cross. Make sure you cross those numbers out. It's most helpful. All right, let's say we have 383, and we're subtracting maybe 138. Okay, draw our lines. All right, now I'm looking at my ones column because that's where I go first, remember. If I have 3, can I give 8 away? No, there's too many on the floor. I've got to go next door and get 10 more. So I'm going to get 10 from this 80. That leaves me with 70. I'm going to add 10 to the 3 I have. 10 plus 3 is 13. Okay, now I can give 8 away because I have 13 of them. So 13 take away 8. Anybody? That's right, it is 5. All right, 7 take away 3. 4. 3 take away 1. 2. Again, I can easily check my answer. I can take that 245, add it to 138. 5 plus 8 is 13. 3 goes down, 1 goes up. 1 plus 4 is 5. 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. 383. So it is correct. Now, one of the last ones I want to do is, let's just say that you're doing 679 minus 462. Okay, if I look at my ones column, if there's not more on the floor, I just start solving. So 9 take away 2. That's right, 7. 7 take away 1. 7 take away 6 equals 1. 6 take away 4 equals 2. 217. Again, I can check it. 217, 462, add them together. This equals 9. This equals 7. This equals 6. Bingo. All right, so practice a few before you take the assessment, because the assessment is going in the grade book. And I know that you know how to do this. Practice on a scrap piece of paper. Have it in front of you before you take that assessment. And I did mess up number 6. It has a part A and a part B. The part A has the correct number, 300. Part B, I accidentally put 800. Use 300, please. You can't solve it otherwise because the answer's not there. All right? All right, work hard. Thanks.